Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and a couple weeks ago, Miley, Cyrus, and Ronson released a new song, Nothing Breaks Like a Heart. And going off this single art, it gives me major Chain to the Rhythm vibes, which we just made some Chain to the Rhythm treats, so I'll put a link to that in the description below and up here as well. So today we are going to continue with a disco ball theme into the new year. And a lot of people are starting a New Year's resolution or a goal that you know you're going to break, but you still want to start it. So today we are going to be making a light and airy strawberry cupcake that we are going to top with a little strawberry disco ball to look just like the broken heart on the single art. The ingredients for this recipe are 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 10 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup chopped strawberries, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup whole milk, some light gray candy melts, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and to decorate you'll need some strawberry buttercream. The first thing we're going to do is in a small bowl combine all of our dry ingredients. That will be your flour, baking powder, and salt. I've just set our dry ingredients off to the side, and now we can start to work on our wet ingredients. And to keep these cupcakes nice and airy, we actually want to whip our butter separately first. So in a large bowl, combine your butter and beat it on a medium-high speed until nice and creamy. Once your butter is whipped, now we can add in our sugar and mix it up one more time. After you've added your sugar, now we can add in our eggs one at a time, beating after each addition. My gosh, it should really be nothing breaks like an egg. Then add in your vanilla extract and mix it up. Our wet and dry ingredients are both separately mixed, but now we can start to combine them to make our cupcake batter. Start by taking half of your dry, add it to the wet, and mix it up. Then add in all of your milk, mix it up, and the last half of your dry, and mix it up. Our batter is all mixed, but there's just one more thing we'd like to do, and that's to add in the strawberries to make the strawberry cupcakes. Simply just fold in all the strawberries into the batter. Our cupcake batter is all ready, so now we can place it into our cupcake pan. I've just lined the pan with some white cupcake liners, and now you just want to fill your cupcakes about 2/3 of the way full with your strawberry cupcake batter. Now we want to pop these guys into the oven at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. While our cupcakes are baking, we can start to work on the broken heart strawberry that we're going to put on the top of our cupcakes. To do this, we're going to take our whole strawberries and cut them into slices about 1/4 of an inch thick. After you've cut your slices, now we want to make these strawberries look like a broken heart. To do this, take one of your strawberries and round out the top. Then cut a Y shape into your strawberry. Then cut a zigzag line down the middle. Once you have all of your strawberries cut out and shaped to look like a broken heart, the next thing we want to do is take a toothpick and insert it into 1/2 of the heart. Sounds really bad, but it's a strawberry. Then we want to take our light gray candy melts and completely coat the top of our strawberries. Once your top coat on the strawberries have hardened, now we can make this look like a disco ball by taking some more of our light gray candy melts and just drizzling it on in both directions. Our cupcakes are out of the oven and I've given them plenty of time to cool. So now we can start to decorate them. To decorate, I've got some strawberry buttercream that I put into a piping bag fitted with a number 12 tip. This is just an open circle. And we've also got our broken heart stars. And we've also got our broken heart strawberries that we made. Start by taking your buttercream frosting and piping a big dollop right on top of the cupcake. Then to finish off this cupcake, simply stick in your broken heart strawberry. And here we have them, our Nothing Breaks Like a Heart inspired strawberry cupcakes that we made today. And I've just been snacking on some of the extra ones. And it was so good. Like, you get that fresh strawberry flavor from the fresh strawberries, which is unlike extracts or frozen, and it just balances so well with our strawberry buttercream. We made a homemade strawberry cupcake and then iced on some strawberry buttercream frosting. And then we made some broken heart strawberries to place on top and cover them in some light gray candy melts to look just like the single art. If you happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you know someone who likes this song, Miley Cyrus or Strawberries, share this video with them. If you have any other requests for another celebrity sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out my sock line over on Teespring. The link is also in the description below. There you'll find socks like the original celebrity sweets and many more fun and cute food-themed socks. And until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here is my newest video where we made some New Year's Eve inspired treats. And down here is what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Sunday.